Welcome to this extraordinary 32-plus acre equestrian estate in North Carolina, where luxury country living, professional horse facilities, and peaceful countryside views come together in one remarkable property. Set in the rolling landscape with convenient access to Charlotte, Asheville, and the Greenville-Spartanburg corridor, this estate offers the rare balance of privacy and accessibility. Lighted riding arena that allows year-round training in any weather. The thoughtfully arranged barn features oversized stalls with automatic waterers and upgraded safety fans, along with additional stalls that allow flexibility for expansion. A dedicated tack room, wash rack with hot and cold water, stall monitoring cameras, and an on-site office with viewing lobby make the facility both professional and comfortable. Beyond the equestrian facilities, the property also functions as a thriving homestead. A greenhouse equipped with electric and water supports year-round growing, while raised garden beds and fruit trees encourage farm-to-table living. Nearly 2 miles of private trails wind through mature woods and along West Brushy Creek and a second spring-fed creek, creating incredible opportunities for riding, walking, and wildlife viewing. The farmhouse perfectly complements the landscape with classic charm and modern updates. A wraparound porch and expansive rear deck create inviting outdoor living spaces, while the interior features a stone fireplace, spacious living areas, and 4 bedrooms, including a bonus suite above the garage. With over 32 acres of private land, professional equestrian amenities, and a beautifully updated home, this North Carolina estate offers endless possibilities for horse enthusiasts, homesteaders, or anyone seeking peaceful country living with modern convenience.